With the plant database, you get access to a catalog of over 8,000 species ready to use in your landscape project. You can search for a species directly by name, and the database will return results that match your query. Or you can search based on specific criteria like typology, shape, leaf type, or flower color. If you prefer, you can apply advanced filters such as the temperatures the plant can tolerate, or other characteristics like fragrance, ability to attract birds, or soil type. Each species is automatically assigned representative images and predefined display styles for both 2D and 3D views. You can edit any of these visual representations, as well as all the associated data for the species. You can also register new species and add them to your personalized database, as well as mark your favorite species to quickly access them whenever you need. That way, all your species are ready to be inserted directly into your design projects.